い方。はいや。
Alright, my plan was to do this in my cinder block pit, but unfortunately she is frozen with ice, so I would have to burn a fire just to create a new fire. So we will be doing it in the snow on my vertical smoker. Alright, sirloin tip roast is seasoned. 3 baked potatoes. Be going in my vertical smoker. Sirloin tip roast is in. 3 baked potatoes with olive oil and steak seasoning. Fire's going. I'll be adding cherry wood splits throughout the cook, and I'll be back. Alright, internal temp is around 110. I just spritzed it with apple cider, not vinegar, just regular apple cider. Potatoes are still going. Coal's still hot, and we'll add another chunk of cherry. Just set the baked potatoes on top. Sirloin tip is reading at about 125, so it's almost done. And I just put on 2 beef skewers. Potatoes are staying warm. Skewers are on. Just giving the sirloin tip a little bit of a sear over fire. We're almost done.